Hey, what's going on YouTube? Welcome back to another video. Today I want to share with you how to remove your rear bumper on your 2015 and up Subaru WRX and STI. Now guys, I just want to give you a quick disclaimer. This is a very tedious process and I highly recommend having a friend to help you with this. And you're probably going to be asking, why do I need to remove my rear bumper? The main reason is if you're going to be installing an OEM style rear diffuser, that's main reason number one. You will need to access two areas right behind where the rear bumper is. And the second thing is, like, let's say you want to install the S207 or S208 style rear bumper vents or something like that, or if you wanted to go aftermarket and you're going to be replacing this entirely. So those are some reasons why you will need to remove your rear bumper, and so I figured I wanted to share it with you guys. So before I start, guys, I just want to make note, if you have the Aero Splash Guards, the USDM Aero Splash Guards like I do, it'll make removing your rear bumper significantly more tedious and it'll take a little bit more time. So I'll go over that as we progress in the video. But with that, guys, the first step you're going to do is you're going to be raising the rear end of your WRX or STI. So because I'm still stock, I just rolled back into these ramps and have it lifted. So after you've done so, you're going to be opening your trunk and you're going to be accessing these two screws right here. So you could either use a Phillips head screwdriver or a 10mm socket wrench to remove so. So after you remove those two screws, we're going to be moving along to the side of your bumper. So guys, there is going to be a pop clip right here along with two Phillips head screws located right here. And if you have the USDM splash guards like I do, when you're removing the clips down below, there's going to be an extra screw located back here. So hopefully you guys can see it right here. Yeah, that hole right there. That's the additional screw that you're going to have to remove. And I forgot to do so, and kind of caused a little bit of a challenge for myself. Now after you remove the three here and the three on the other side, we're going to be moving down to the bottom end, and there's going to be in total 10 clips. So with the USDM splash guards, you're going to have in total 14, but without it you're going to have 10. So the first one is right here. You're going to be removing this clip. Second clip is right here, and third clip is right here. And then with the USDM splash guards, there's going to be one right here and then the other one right here. So after that, guys, we're going to move on to the centerpiece right here. Alright, so the last four clips to remove on your rear bumper, one is located right here, the other one is located right here, and the third one is located right here, and the fourth one is located right here. So after you removed those four clips, recapping, you will have in total 10 clips to remove down below. If you don't have the Aero Splash Guards, you will have 14 clips in total if you have the Aero Splash Guards. In addition to that, there's 3 clips on this side on each end, and so that makes it, what is it, 16 for stock and 20 for those of us who have the Aero Splash Guards, excluding the 2 screws up top. So after that, we're going to remove the rear bumper. Alright guys, as I'm about to remove the rear bumper, the last thing I want to share with you guys is if you have a rear F1 fog light or brake light like I do, I recommend loosening the brackets so that way when you tug off the rear bumper, you won't pull the wires that is connected to it. So you're going to have to be very careful, and this is where I recommend having a friend help you with it. So that way when you pull on both sides, you could easily and gently put the rear bumper down to the ground without having to pull and yank the wire. So, alright, so I had to cut that clip short because I was experiencing some technical difficulties, had to get some help. So I wanted to show you guys how the vehicle looks like with your rear bumper off. As you can see here, my F1 light is dangling here, so be very, very careful when you are taking it off and you do have this installed. The other thing I wanted to show you guys is this is where the bracket is bolted onto for installing your OEM style rear diffuser that I had on that I had to take off. So after you've put all the pieces in place, this is pretty much how it's going to hang off of your vehicle. But the bracket itself, in order for you to access it, you will need to take off your rear bumper like how I did here and install the brackets in here. So you're going to need an extension. I believe it was also a 10mm socket wrench that you will need to unscrew that. You'll need a power drill. I didn't know that you needed that, but you need to do so because it's kind of bolted on very, very tightly onto the frame itself. So after you've done that, reverse the process, put everything back on, then you can install your OEM diffuser or whatever you want to do. So hope you guys like this video. If you do, give it a thumbs up. If not, thumbs down.